Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Roku mobile app and control your Roku device step by step clearly. To download the Roku mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. Search for Roku in the search bar. Locate the official Roku app in the search results. Tap the Get button to download and install the app. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Type Roku in the search field. Find the official Roku app and select it. Click on the Install button to download the app. Once the app is installed, locate it on your device's home screen. Open the Roku mobile app. You may be prompted to sign in or create a Roku account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, ensure that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. The app will automatically search for Roku devices on your network. Select your Roku device from the list. You may need to confirm a pairing code on your TV screen. Once connected, you will see the app's main interface. To control your Roku device, use the remote feature on the app. Tap on the remote icon to access the virtual remote. You can navigate using directional buttons, the home button, and other options. Use the app to launch channels, search for content, and control playback. Explore additional features in the app, such as voice search and casting options. Enjoy seamless control of your Roku device directly from your mobile phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.